This is Sharkbite push to connect ball valve. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect it to the copper and the pegs. And then I will show you how to remove it. Let's get started. First step, cut the copper. After the copper was cut, you need to remove the burr. Now you see it's really sharp. First one to remove the outside using this way and push hard and turn. Let's using this side to clean the inside. Then mark the copper 0.95 inch. You don't need to use the sandpaper to sand the surface, but you're gonna make sure that the copper tube is round and there's no dirt, no damage. For the PEX tube, you just need a pipe cutter and make sure it's square to the pipe. That's it. Next step, mark the insert depth. For ½ inch, we need to measure the 0.95 inch, almost 1 inch, right here. Here you will see the inner part, it says the stiffener color, and then you will see the metal teeth, actually called grab ring. So it will grab the tube. And right here, there's an O-ring. We can see it. The function of the O-ring is to seal the pipe. The first step is to put the stiffener collar inside the pegs. While using the pegs, the inner collar must be there. Put this one in, and then we make a line up and the mark facing us. So you need to grab firm and push. Okay, right here. So my mark is right here, and I can't push any further. We are reaching the tube stop. Let's connect the other side. My mark is right here, and you need to line up, put the inner collar inside. When you get ready, start to push. Mark is here, keep pushing. Okay, we can see the mark. Now, both tubes reach the end. But sometimes, maybe you change the idea or maybe just simply made a mistake. We need to remove both parts. For the removal, the Sharkbite is easy. We got a removal tool. So this side have the Sharkbite's logo. We don't use this part. We use the other side facing the collar. Like this. And all we need to do is push hard to the fitting and then grab the tube at the same time to take it out. So you need to push really hard. And now the tube we've taken out. After you take the tube out, you need to check if any damage inside. If there's damage, we can't use this anymore. And the other side the same way. So push. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.